I suppose I should really be eating my dinner now. Cool. 9:20. Haven't had anything to eat. He wanted to go for a walk. So. Oh, and he's playing with the ball. This is actually Molly's ball, but Molly ate it and he seems to be able to get his little mouth around it. Isn't that right? Hey, you coming, Shitty? You going for the ball as well? Hey, you coming for the ball? You're gonna get it. Come on then, Shitty. All the grass is just grown. Lovely sunset. Actually looks more colourful on camera than it does in real life. Working in the garden today. Sort of moon up there. It's a really nice day. You playing with it, Shitty? Come on in. Shitting. Come on. You coming? Come on then. Come on in. Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Well, it's not really the pouncing of a panther. It's just a bit of a letdown, isn't it? Come on, Shidden. Pick it up on the way back. Come on, boy.